Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on creating a student mark sheet in Microsoft Excel. We'll cover everything from calculating totals and averages to assigning grades automatically using the powerful if function. First, let's set up our basic data. We need columns for the student name and their marks in different subjects. For this example, we'll use Subject 1, Subject 2, and Subject 3 and up to 8. Now, input your student names and their respective marks into these cells. Calculating total marks. Next, we need to calculate the total marks for each student. Navigate to the column you've labelled Total Marks. We'll use the built-in Sum function for this. Select the first cell in the Total Marks column and type equals sum. Now, simply select the range of cells containing the marks for that student. That is, from Subject 1 to Subject 8, and close the parenthesis. Hit Enter. Once you have the total for the first student, use the Fill handle, the small square at the bottom right of the cell, and drag it down to apply the formula to all the other students. Calculating average marks. Now let's calculate the average marks. Move to the Average Marks column. We can use the simple average function for this, and also you can do it by total divided by number of subject. And press Enter. Just like with the total marks, drag the Fill handle down to calculate the average for every student on your sheet. Remember to adjust the number of decimal places in the Home tab if needed for a cleaner look. Next, let's learn the if function. This is used when you want Excel to make a decision based on a condition. It works like this. If something is true, Excel will return one result. If it's false, Excel will return another result. For example, if you want to check whether a student passed or failed, click on the cell and type equals IFK2 greater than or equal to 75, pass, fail. Here's what it means. Check if the value in K2 is greater than or equal to 75. If yes, display pass. If not, display fail. The final and most exciting part is assigning a grade based on the student's average marks. We will use a nested if function to check multiple conditions. Let's define our grading criteria. For example, grade A. If average is greater than or equal to 75. Grade B. If average is greater than or equal to 65. Grade C. If average is greater than or equal to 55. Grade S, if average is greater than or equal to 45. Fail, if average is less than 45. In the first cell of the grade column, click on the Insert function button, or FX, in the formula bar, and search for the if function, or just type it directly. The formula structure will look like this, referencing the cell containing the average, let's say it's E2. Excel equals if K2 is greater than or equal to 75. A. If K2 greater than or equal to 65. B. If K2 greater than or equal to 55. C. If K2 greater than or equal to 45. S. Fail. After typing the complete formula, press Enter. Now, use the Fill handle one last time to apply the grading logic to all the students. And there you have it! Your student mark sheet is complete, with automatically calculated totals, averages, and grades. This method is efficient and accurate for managing large datasets. Thank you for watching.